Welcome to another video from STEM Smart Labs. In this video, we will be looking at a simple IR remote controlled musical keyboard built using Arduino EK R4 Minima board on the Arduino EK R4 experiment kit. Open the Arduino IDE and click on Files. Go to Examples and navigate to IR Keyboard Sketch. You can now upload this code and observe the output on the experiment kit. When powered on, the OLED display shows the STEM Smart Labs logo. It then prompts the user to press the OK button on the IR remote to start playing. Once started, by pressing the buttons 1 to 8, you can play different musical notes. Each time a note is played, its name is displayed on the OLED screen. Let us now hear a simple song being played by the buzzer when the buttons are pressed on the IR remote. This is a fun and interactive way to learn about IR remote control and OLED interacting with the Arduino. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.